Hey, welcome back artists. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw this really fun cartoon unicorn. It's really simple. And then we're going to open a gift or a present and see what kind of item our unicorn is going to receive. We'll add it to the drawing and then we're going to add our unicorn to this amazing Winter Wonderland. And you can see all the characters I've already added. So grab a pencil and paper and let's draw. Okay, to draw this fun unicorn, we're going to start with a number 7. And then we're going to add the character's eyes right here, just below our 7. On the corner of the 7, we're going to add our unicorn's ears. We just draw 2 loops like this. And then we're going to go ahead and draw the unicorn's nose and mouth over here. And it's just a curved line like this with another curved line here. And little dots for the nose. Now you can make the mouth open or close. If you're going to make the mouth open, you're going to draw a little shape like this. And if you're going to make it closed, you're just going to draw a simple line like this. I think I'm going to leave the mouth open. So again, just a fun curved line like that. We have the unicorn's face. Let's add that horn, and that's going to go on top of the unicorn's head. We just draw a line here and some lines inside of it. Okay, check it out. We have the unicorn's face. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw the front of the unicorn's neck, just a little line here, and you might have to extend the 7 just a little bit more. Let's draw the body. We're going to draw a fun shape like that. Now we're going to add the unicorn's legs and feet. We just draw 2 rectangle shapes like this and then color in the very bottoms for the hooves. Now this unicorn's walking on 2 legs, and you can make it walk on 4 if you like, but I'm going to make it have arms. So I'm going to draw an unfinished rectangle and color in the very bottom, and I'm going to draw a second arm over here. And color in that little shape for a hoof hand. We need to add the mane, and that is the flowy hair right there. And we need to add the tail. And it's just a little pom-pom of hair like so. Okay, there we go. We have our unicorn. Now it's time to open the present and see what we're going to add to our unicorn. Okay, let's open this present and see what we're going to get. And it's going to be a pink drink. Awesome. Okay, let's add that pink drink to our unicorn, and I'm just gonna size up. That's a really large drink for a little unicorn. Awesome. Now let's add this character to our Winter Wonderland. Okay, drawing fans, time to add our unicorn to our Winter Wonderland scene. Now look at all the characters we've added so far. We've added an alligator that is ice skating, and a guinea pig with a hot plate of spaghetti. Also, cartoon dog and cat, along with a bunny with a carrot and this cute puppy with some McDonald's chicken nuggets. Now, if you don't recognize some of these characters from previous lessons, that's because you're not on Harptooniacs, my membership art site. Hey, I have some free lessons below, in the link below. You can check them out and you can learn how to draw other characters. But it's time to place our unicorn right now. And I'm thinking we place our unicorn right here by our guinea pig. And there you go. We have our unicorn right here next to the toasty fire and our guinea pig with the spaghetti. Hey, there's some other scenes that I'm working on as well, such as this frosty igloo scene. Wonder what's gonna live here. And a dark, mysterious cave where some kind of creature or monster might live. And I can't wait to draw with you in the next lesson. So
grab your pencil and your paper.
And